Morgan, Ohio, and welcome to another episode of our little vlog. So, as you see, we are heading somewhere. Spoilers ahead, we are heading towards the shop because last Saturday, a very important car arrived there. So, you all know this guy? Yes, it's Marc. And as you know, I was with Marc together in Japan when we earlier this year have been at Auto Salon. His RX-7 finally arrived in the workshop. We will build in today the Fujitsubo exhaust. Also, he has some very nice BBS rims we're gonna put on the car. And of course, it's not a secret, we all wanna hear that exhaust, right? So, I'm happy to spend my weekend again in the shop and I'm super excited because first of all I love RX-7. Okay, I'm a big fan of the cars. For me personally, they're way too small, okay, because I'm a big European guy. I don't say huge, but I'm just big, okay. I did sit in the car. Let me say it this way, because I'm a huge guy, if I sit in, it's okay. But if we're gonna lower the car, it could take some issues, or it would cause some trouble for me to get out of the car. So, we now jump into the workshop. We have just a little drive there, and I can't wait what this episode else will bring. But I'm super stoked to finally start at Marc's RX-7. Again, welcome to the video and let's go. Okay, so we're about to start. What we're gonna do is we're gonna show you now the car, how it is built now, how it's looking now, and then we're gonna do all the modifications, and then we show you the car afterwards. We're about to start. You're gonna see now the car, how it looks at the moment, and then we chat each other when we're gonna start working on it. Alright, so we are, as you see, with Eric and with Seb. Say hi, Seb.
Hello. Hi,
Seb. So, we're gonna mount the exhaust. We first of all thought if there is an extension on it to make it fit, but as it looks like, it's hand welded into this. What is it, Jiva or Fujitsubo? Fuji?
We have to check.
We have to check. Super cool. So we're gonna now start demounting the old one. We're gonna mount a new one. Also, we're gonna change the rims, right, to the BBS ones. And that's it for today. We have a couple of more updates that will come, but I don't know if you're gonna see them in the video. So I would say we're gonna start right away. So we just said let me adjust the camera. So we just said we had to make a before and after exhaust sound, but this exhaust was actually so quiet, it would be a shame to listen to it. So
no one cares about the before.
Yeah. So we have to fix the thread of this bolt here because it's 30 years old, right? It's like
decided that the first bolt instantly snapped.
Yeah, I mean that's what you love to say. It's never plug and play.
It's never
plug and play. So we're gonna fix this one, and then we're ready to mount. The only thing is we need to check if this holder here, right? If this one, if we still can use it,
Yeah, we need to
or if we need to weld something on here. But
we need to fabricate something here because somehow this piece came without a hanger. Normally you have like a big clamp that goes around here with a hanger attached to it, but right now we don't have anything.
Okay, so we're gonna check and then we'll see later. Yeah. So we're a little bit enlightened or delighted because actually you have like a clamp that comes over here and that goes into this mount, right? Or into this rubber holder, and that everything is really fixed because at the moment it's, as you see, you can really move around. I mean, you can drive like that, but yeah, I wouldn't recommend to do so. So yeah. I phoned the owner, and we're gonna see us on Saturday, so he gonna brings it in so we can fix it. But I would say next up, tires.
Sound check.
I'm sorry, we're gonna do a sound check now.
That's crazy.
There was a cold start, and now we're in the game. Oh my goodness! Oh my! I'm speechless. I'm speechless. I'm really. It's crazy. Look at this.
Just the muffler.
Guys, I don't know, donate like 100k somewhere if my Supra would sound like that and would be street legal. Wow, that's super crazy.
Probably powered by Doritos.
Yeah. That's super crazy. Okay guys, so first of all, Marc, this is your exhaust. This is so dope, okay? That sound we got, you directly can bring it to Daikoku. This is super crazy. Super crazy, guys. Let me know in the comments, how do you like that sound check? I hope the camera could catch it, everything. We will enjoy this a bit more, and then we're gonna jump right away to the tires, and we're gonna change the rims as well. And then we get some super clean and crisp clips from the RX-7 with the new exhaust and the new rims. Oh my lord, that sound.
OEM never used tools.
Wow, they're look at this, guys. They're literally brand new. Oh my, let me adjust the zoom. Look at this. Oh my god.
Everything's there.
I mean, here's the thing. We didn't spoke about the mileage on the car. What is it, like 22,000 kilometers?
Yeah.
Something like this?
That's like 16,000 miles.
Yeah, 16,000 miles. So
Basically nothing. It's a new car.
it's a new car. It's really, I mean, look at the interior here. Also, this is an original Bose audio system that's stock from the factory. I know a lot of RX-7 guys now will tend to cry because they're so rare.
Yeah.
If I don't know the aftermarket prices for this one, but I think they're super expensive.
Yeah, it's super expensive and super rare. Like this condition is crazy. That's actually crazy.
Even when you lift it up,
Yeah.
that the people can see. Look at this here.
Look at the spare tire.
Even the spare tire is like an Enkai wheel. It's crazy. I mean, look at this mat.
Yeah,
it's brand new.
Brand new.
This is so. I think from the condition here, this is the best RX-7
Yes.
I've seen for ages.
Yes.
Yeah.
Obviously, yes.
Absolutely crazy. I mean, a little bit of new color,
Yeah.
a little bit of new rims, new exhaust,
A
and
little
you
bit
have.
of love, but this
Yes.
is top notch.
Yeah, absolutely. Alright, so now we are about to change the rims. Do we have the BBS caps for it as well?
No.
No? So I have to call again Marc to send us the BBS caps.
Yeah, because as we learned, he likes to hoard things.
So, yeah, I mean, yes, I know Marc very well. Yeah, that's a typical Marc, but he's the owner of a fantastic RX-7, so we can't complain about that. I mean, the car is...
I met him like twice, but I'm already starting to like hate him a little. Eight by 17 plus 37.
I wouldn't say they're crisp, but they, if you clean them and they get a bit of love.
Yeah, you need to like overhaul the whole wheel.
Yeah,
because,
yeah.
But yeah, so the whole wheel needs to be redone.
Yeah.
But then, period correct wheel.
Yeah, absolutely. But I think the BBS will look fantastic with the inner gray star and the outer chrome polished parts. So.
But if you want to buy some SSRs, hit us up. We got some.
Yeah, let us know. We're gonna speak with the owner. Maybe you can arrange a good deal for these guys, right?
They are inspected by Mr. Minomura.
Mr. Minomura. Yes, there we go. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool.
Yeah, normally these stickers don't exist anymore.
Yeah.
These old wheels.
Super cool. Super cool.
S2000 wheels?
Do they fit from the
Yes.
holes? No, we don't. I'm gonna beep this out. When does the car come back? The S2000 comes back. And maybe then we can test fit it. I mean, the car will still be here, so, and the wheels will be here as well, so we can test fit it. I think we have a plan for these rims, so I don't know if they're still for sale.
We need suspension.
We need suspension. So, as we said, it's never plug and play. We need a suspension. The fitment from them were a little bit better. Okay, so again, you guys now watching some clips of the car. did manage to have the BBS rims on it. We did manage to have the exhaust, what I think is super fantastic. So we're gonna give one more time some appreciation to the exhaust. I will blend it in now. That's so fantastic. That sound, oh my gosh, absolutely wonderful. So a big shout out to my bestie Marc for his RX-7, and you see this color is so shiny. Look at this. I'm absolutely speechless about this color of the car. It's like fantastic. So nevertheless, because I start to celebrate the car way too much, I know, but I'm a lover of RX-7s, okay? Big shout out again to Marc, the owner, one of my besties. I think we're gonna go together to Japan again, so let's see what comes in future episodes. With that said, every episode comes to an end, and if you're still watching the video until that point, go and hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, it's for free, and it really, really helps me personally a lot. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.